In the old markets of New Delhi, cargo circulates between the stalls. Generic drugs arrive from all over the country. Doctors, pharmacists and retailers buy them wholesale at low prices.
But 99% products are available in India, made in India. सबको पता होता है कि वहाँ मेडिसिन कितने की होगी. Suppose एक मेट्रोजेल है, तो इंडिया में it is available like for 20 rupees.
In less than 10 years, the subcontinent has become the third largest producer of drugs worldwide and the first in terms of generics. This year, the country exported 24 billion euros worth of medical products. But it's not all a success story. Between July and September, more than 60 children died in the Gambia, according to the WHO. The deaths were caused by cough syrups manufactured by Indian company Maiden. In this lab, samples collected from pharmaceutical factories are regularly analyzed.
So this is the lab. Here we have instrument HPLC, high performance liquid chromatography. This is the most important parameter. It provides that what is the actual content in the product.
The investigation so far suggests that Maiden may not have carried essential quality controls, particularly concerning the presence of two toxic components, ethylene glycol and diethylene glycol.
This is a component of the cough syrup, but it should be in the specified quantity, not more, not less.
Pharmaceutical scandals are commonplace in India. Most recently, in 2020, 17 children died after consuming a similar syrup. The company Maiden has also failed to pass quality controls for other drugs it manufactures on several occasions. Sanjay Kumar is a pharmaceutical litigation lawyer in New Delhi. According to him, serious warnings had been ignored.
There is a lack of enforcement from the authorities. So if there are drug alerts given to the authorities, so these alerts should be taken seriously. Manufacturers might compromise the quality to save the cost of compliance and to save the cost on the quality of the raw materials.
The Maiden plant will remain closed until the results of the investigation are released.